Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my must-have lip products. I wear something on my lips every single day, whether that's a balm or a gloss or a lipstick or something. I actually just reached into my bag earlier today and I had 10 lip products in my bag, which obviously I know that that's overkill and you don't need that many, but I did want to share kind of just my absolute favorite formulas and just kind of the products that I cannot live without. So if you're interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. First, I want to talk about my favorite kind of just like balm chapstick type product. So I have two of them. The first one is the Nivea A Kiss of Smoothness. This is a broad spectrum SPF 15 and it just says it's a lip care. I actually have, like, this is how addicted to this stuff I am. I cannot live without it. And I love this because it does have SPF. So if I'm ever on vacation and I'm not wearing makeup, or I just don't want to have anything on my lips, or if I already have a lip color, I'll just throw this on top of it because it is clear, obviously. So I really love this. I've been using it for years and years and years and I cannot get enough, obviously, as you can see. And then the other one from Nivea is a Kiss of Moisture, and this one has shea butter and provitamin B5. So again, I have 3 of these. These will make your lips feel so silky smooth, it's not even funny. I love the way that they leave my lips feeling. This doesn't have SPF in it, so I don't wear this one if I'm like out and about in the summer. But I love the way it makes my lips feel in the winter because it's just so nourishing and moisturizing. While we are on the lip balm train, I want to talk about my favorite tinted lip balm. These are from Fresh. They are the sugar lip treatments and I am obsessed with these. My favorite one is Rosé. I actually just mentioned this in a video. I'm almost out of this one. But this will just give you the slightest hint of color and it'll just make you look more put together without really putting in any effort. But my favorite ones are the Rosé and the Honey shade. I also really love Bloom and Nude. So all of them will just give you a nice wash of color, pretty much no effort whatsoever. You can throw these in your bag, use them without a mirror, and they do have SPF 15 in them. So they're just great everyday lip balms and it's just something to kind of feel put together without putting in the effort. I'm going to link everything that I talk about down below in the bottom bar in case you're looking for it, and I'll share the shades and everything that I mentioned today. I didn't get into lip liners until more recently, so I have 3 favorites that I really love. The first one is from Bite Beauty. This is in the shade 020. I thought that it had a name too, but I guess it doesn't. But it's just this really pretty nude color. I have it on my lips today. I just love this. I think it's a perfect everyday liner and it goes under anything. Actually, this next one does too. This is from Marc Jacobs. It is the Pout Liner Longwear Lip Pencil and this is in the shade Nudist. And this one is a really pretty nude shade. This one is a little bit darker than the 020 shade from Bite, but it still works for under any lip color, just nude, or you can go with a bold lip color and it'll just keep your lipstick in place all day. I love it. What I do like more about the Marc Jacobs one is that you can just twist up to sharpen. This one you have to actually use a pencil sharpener. I don't know why I'm so against that. I just don't like sharpening, so I do like the ones that twist up, but the formula of this one is so good that I just couldn't deny it. And then the same with these Buxom. These are the Plump Line lip liners, and this is in the shade Stealth, and then this one is in the shade Dolly Danger. These ones you have to sharpen as well. These ones are a little bit thicker, so it's a little bit of a thicker pencil, and then on the other side there's a brush, so you can kind of blend it out, and you can use this as your all day or all over lip color. And again, you have to sharpen these with an actual pencil. I'm all about the glossy lips. I'm just definitely a glossy girl. So I wanted to share my favorite lip gloss formulas. I have 2 that are drugstore and then 2 that are a little bit higher end. So let's just go every other one. So first up is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss. This one is my most used one and it is in the shade Supernatural. I love this. You can see I'm almost done with it, but this is just such a good everyday gloss. I think it is so pretty and these last for a pretty long time. I also have them in the shades Sky Pink, and these aren't super opaque, so this isn't actually what this color looks like, although I don't use this one very often. This is in Raisin Rage. Man, my eyes are getting bad. Anyway, Supernatural is my most used one. I have a couple other shades, but I can't locate them. But they're more like neutral shades like this. I love this formula. It's not sticky at all. It stays put. I mean, as far as a gloss goes, it's not just gonna like stay put if you eat a greasy cheeseburger or something, but it will stay glossy. And they're such a good deal from the drugstore. Next is from Buxom. This is my all-time favorite lip gloss formula. These are the full-on lip creams, and this is the full-on lip polish. They're essentially the same. The polish, I would say, is just like the slightest bit glossier, but I have my lip polish in Sophia. This is, I think, the second one of these I've gone through. White Russian is kind of their holy grail color that a lot of people love. I've had quite a few of these over the years, but this is the one that I could track down today. And then in the full-on lip creams, I have Blushing Margarita, which is my favorite shade. And then I also have Rose Julep and Moscow Mule. Rose Julep is a really, really pretty pink too. These smell like cupcakes. They are just so pretty on the lips. They're really glossy. They stay glossy. Again, they're not sticky at all. I think they're totally worth the splurge. They retail it for $20 each. And the full size, these are all tiny sizes, but they just are so, so, so good, and they smell good, and they're supposed to be plumping, so they do feel a little bit tingly and minty, but not like the painful plumping. I hate the painful plumping glosses. This is just a really nice everyday gloss. All right, back to drugstore. We have the glosses from Milani. These are the Brilliant Shine lip glosses, and I have them in the shades, where are the shades? Here we go. Bare Secret, Adorable, and Pink Lady. So I love all three of these. As you can see, these two are nudes. I'm just obsessed with nude lips, let's be honest. This one I actually wear quite a bit though, because it's not fully pink. Like, none of these glosses are gonna be fully opaque. So it looks pink on my hand, obviously, but my hand is white. So when you put it on your lips when they're already pink, this just gives you a nice shine and isn't like fully pink. And then my last gloss formula that I love is from Bare Minerals. This is from their Gen Nude collection. This is in the shade Sugar, and I am just obsessed with these. Again, they smell so good. This is the gloss I have on my lips today over my Bite lip liner. And I just love it. The formula is really pretty. It's a really pretty nude. Again, I have basically all nude colored lip products because that's just what I personally wear on a daily basis. All right, I have two more products to talk about. The first one is from NARS. This is the Velvet Lip Glide, and this is in the shade Stripped. I love this. It's definitely not something that stays put for a really long time, but it's just kind of like a satiny finish, and this one is just really, really pretty. I love that you can just throw it on and you don't have to worry about how it's gonna wear off or it's not gonna be patchy or anything like that. They're just really pretty. Again, they don't stay put, so if you're looking for something that's gonna stay put, definitely go more of in the liquid liner kind of a formula, but I absolutely love this. And then I have my Bite Beauty. These are from the Amuse Bouche lipstick line, and oh, I thought, this is actually not what I thought I pulled from my collection. This one is though. This is in the shade Pepper. This is a really pretty everyday shade. And then I also have, I have them in probably like 5 or 6 colors. The other color I really, really love is called Honeycomb, and that one is gorgeous as well. It's kind of similar to this, it's just a little bit lighter. But I love that these are super comfortable. They last for hours and hours and hours. They wear down really nicely, and they're a really nice opaque formula, but they're not super matte. So they're not gonna dry out your lips. You're not gonna feel uncomfortable throughout the day. You can reapply it without it feeling like it's like crumbling up or just getting gross on your lips. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about, but I just have nothing but amazing things to say about this formula. This is really the only like true lipstick formula that I'm using at the moment. Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite lip formula is. I'm really curious to know what you guys are using. Maybe if it's something I haven't used, I can try it out myself. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.